of us would be patient enough to stand there and listen to a 10-minute medical history. When you say, how are you? And they immediately start to tell you how they are. Last week I went to the doctor, the week. So how many of us are patient?
That's why I said it means good morning.
Probably good morning safer.
That word, you just get used to it, you know.
That's where you have to practice your compassion.
That's what I mean, the patience.
Yeah.
And I was thinking about what Kathy said too, about when we greet people and talk to people, we don't always know whether they're happy or sad or what's happening with them. But I really think it's important for us to know what's happening with ourselves too, because I think the more we understand our own happiness, contentment, or our own suffering, then we're more able to understand others' contentment or suffering. But we need to understand our own body and our own mind, very much our own heart.
If we observe ourselves and what we go through, the things that cause certain things, and then we can then understand where others, the same things are driving other people as well.
You can relate.
So when you do make a good examination of yourself, that's the starting place to understanding other people.
And that can be very confronting. To really understand yourself and look at yourself.
There is a very short verse of Buddha which say Attanang Opamang Katva, that is we have to compare ourselves with others. Before we do something, we have to ask ourselves first, do we like this thing? How about others? Do they like this thing? Do they like our word? Do we like this word? So other people maybe like or don't like. So it's comparison oneself first.
And that's not easy.
That's not easy.
Even just remembering that in small conversations isn't easy. I don't find it easy.
Accepting what, to gain, to find happiness, to get happiness. We said about satisfaction, contentment, but the ability to accept is the main challenge, I think. The main challenge for the people. The ability to accept it. Sometimes we don't know how to accept it. That's why we are developing our wisdom through meditation, discussion, learning, Buddha's teaching. So we can experience all those things.
Because really, acceptance is the opposite of craving, isn't it? If you're mindful enough to be accepting, to take yourself out of the situation and accept it, then immediately, you're stopping that driven craving for, the craving that's going to keep you enmeshed in that situation without stepping back out of the situation.
Right.
Yeah.